Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. And if you have not already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today we are doing another unboxing. So this is another new one for me. This is Fab Fit Fun. This is a box that you get 4 times a year and it's $50 each time, unless if you subscribe for like the whole year, I think you get a $20 discount total. This one is not the full size. This is actually a starter box. If you are a member, you can send out starter boxes where whoever you send the starter box out to, they only pay $5 shipping and they send you a starter box. You're not obligated to sign up for FabFitFun at all. You just get a starter box to get a feel of what FabFitFun is. My aunt sent me one and I'm like, okay, I'll do it. So I ended up actually signing up for FabFitFun anyways. So I'm still waiting on my fall box, so I'll let you know when that comes in. But let's just get started and see what's inside. So first of all, you get a catalog. I don't know how this catalog works. Okay, so apparently there's member-only discount. You can enter giveaways. This just gives you more details about the box, basically. You get to customize it. I don't know. I really don't know a whole lot about it yet because, like I said, this is just my starter box. Blah, blah, blah. Blah. Ooh, it's got a horoscope. Let's read mine. I'm a Pisces. Kind-hearted with a lot of soul. Pisces is the most empathetic and nurturing demeanor. Wait. Pisces is the most empathetic and her nurturing demeanor makes her a friend to all. Furry friends included. I think that's really true. I'm a very empathetic person. Ask my husband. She's a conscious shopper, so the organic and cruelty-free formula of the Briogeo Roscoro milk leave-in conditioning spray will make her hair and heart happy. Wait, what? Can you get that on sale? Do I get a discount if I buy that? I'm looking to buy that. I just went to Sephora to go buy that right now and they were all out. If it's on sale through here, I'm gonna die and be so happy and then come back to life and buy it. And then you got a crossword puzzle. That's cute. Doesn't tell me what's in my box. Here's another card. Ooh, okay, this tells me what's in the box. So I paid $5 for this box. Right at the top it says total retail value of $167. I paid $5 for this box. What? I opened it and the first thing that's in here is giant and takes up most of the box. So we're just gonna get this right out of the way. This is the Mark & Graham Color Block Throw in the color gray ivory. Cozy up with this woven throw which features a striped design and cool fringe detail. Retails for $49. Make you holla. How big is you? This is great because I love gray. Gray, black, and white. White I love, but I shouldn't be around it because I get everything white dirty. I get everything that's not white dirty. So it's really just a comfy throw blanket with fringe detail. Nice and soft and comfy. There's no such thing as too many blankets, so big fan right here. This is the LAVIDO Aromatic Body Lotion in Mandarin Orange and Bergamot. Hydrate, nourish, and protect. The deliciously scented citrus body lotion is dermatologically tested and formulated for all skin types. Ooh, that's good. Is it that good though? Let me. This retails for $19. Make you holla. It's citrusy, but it's also really florally. Does that make sense? Like, I expected it to be more orangey. What's bergamot? It must smell more like bergamot than orange, because it's orange and bergamot. I'm smelling more bergamot than I am orange. It's not bad. It's just not my favorite either. I'd use it. Okay, on to the next. This little baby is by Kate SOMERVILLE EXFOLIKATE Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. The cult favorite product uses both physical and chemical exfoliation to improve the appearance of skin texture and pores while brightening and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This retails for $75. Make you holla. What? And it's green. Oh my gosh. It totally looks like baby food. Ooh, the beads are really fine, which I like because some of them are just too big. It's very nice. It feels good. I had an itch there, so now that itch is gone. Thank you. Exfoliator. Next! Oh, so I just read the other side of the card, by the way. They put in this box a bunch of FabFitFun's top rated items to give you a taste of what FabFitFun is all about. This next one is by The Way of the Will. It is Strengthening Nail and Cuticle Serum. Got a little dropper. You know, I think I have one other cuticle serum that I never use, and I really should. This does not smell the best. Moisturize nails while protecting the cuticle against dryness and damage. The serum contains emollient-rich meadow foam, argan oil, and vitamin E to strengthen your nails in between paint jobs. And this retails for $24. That is all that is in my starter box. There was 4 items. I paid $5 for it, and the retail value is $167. I can't wrap my head around that. I think that's crazy. So I do have some starter boxes that I can send out to anybody who is interested in FabFitFun. So if you are interested, please let me know in the comments below so you can be one of the people that gets the starter box. Again, all you have to do is pay $5 for shipping, but you are not obligated to continue with FabFitFun. You're not obligated to sign up for it. You just get a starter box. Other than that, I will link also I'll link the website. If you guys have any other questions about the box, about anything else, please leave it in the comments below. And that is it for today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.